Hello, Russ here. So I'm here with a new video. So I have been working with Superhairpieces for a while now, and they have a new system. They didn't tell me much about it because I want to give my honest review and opinion on it. But one of the things that they are offering is a ready-to-wear system. I intentionally did not ask because what I'm going to do is I'm going to read what it is on the website and I'm going to get my experience. Essentially, a ready-to-wear hair system is going to encompass a few different things. You're going to pick your system. You're going to pick the width and the length of it, so if you need to get it cut in. And then from there, you pick a haircut. They have a slew of different haircuts. So what I did is I chose the one that I normally have been using. It is the 351. It is a poly perimeter, lace in the middle, and a lace front hairline. I choose the color 4, which is kind of like a dark brown, and this time I added 20% gray. I mean, I do have a lot of gray. How it comes like this. Normally it's a lot longer because I normally have the traditional length, but since I chose the haircut, it's obviously a lot shorter. So it comes with a hairnet. I am going to put this on and see kind of how the style is first because I do want to give it a chance. As far as the haircuts are concerned, I think they have maybe 20 different hairstyles, maybe more that you can choose from. But right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my tape and get everything going. So what I'm going to do now is I have my preferred tape. This is Geobond tape. They have a slew of different products. I get the long strips because I like to control how thin or thick I cut them. And so what I will do is I will go around the system, as I've shown many times, and kind of just line up it. I'll cut it about there, and I will apply it along the poly perimeter all the way around. So I have finished taping all the way around. I'm gonna do a couple different things next. I'm gonna take my current system off. I'm gonna clean my head. I'm going to shave it, wash it, and what I will probably do, since this is a first system, instead of the normal tape that I would usually do, I apply a thin layer of glue all the way around. And the reason why I do that is because when I get it cut, I want to make sure that the system is as flat as possible. That way, with the cut, everything is cut the way that it needs to. So give me a little bit of time to do what I need to do, and we will see what that looks like from there. As you can tell, the system is back on my head. It is too long. Just so you know, the style that I chose, this is the style, and this is what it looks like on the mannequin. It says it is a fringe textured taper, but in my opinion, I'm not a hairdresser, but that is not a taper. But it's definitely not a style that I would personally wear. I do think that it is a little too thick, a little too heavy, and especially looks like that because of how I look right now. But I did do a 20% gray, which I'm actually kind of glad I did because I do have a lot of gray. You can't really tell right now because I did just trim my beard, but I do have a lot of gray. I think it was a really good ready-to-wear system. This time I did not opt in to have tape, but I think next time I definitely will because I'm pretty meticulous about my tape. I have to line it up correct in my mind. So I definitely will do that next time just to see kind of what that experience would be like. I do have a typical tape that I use, the Geobond, but I'd be really interested to see what they provide and how they and their expertise would go about doing it. I do like that the style was shorter. Typically it's about 8 inches, I think, and it gets really long. So typically when I have it on me for the first time, I will just take a pair of scissors and just chop the heck out of it all the way around, just so it's not in my face. I even bought these headbands because I wasn't doing that at first and it was really annoying. So I really liked that. I do wish that the hairstyles were a little better. When I had the options, again, I think they have at least 20 different styles, so I'm sure that you will find something that you would like. But all in all, the ready to wear I think is a fantastic option for so many of us. I've been doing this a long time, so I kind of enjoy doing all of the different steps because I know I'm doing it how I like it. But even if you've been doing it for a long time or if you're new to this, there is a immense appeal in it. I think that's a really cool option for people that have different heads, that they can pick a size that works for them and know that works for them. So it's a no-brainer for them to do it. Definitely worth every penny. So yeah, all in all, great experience. I appreciate Superhairpieces for offering this to me. They did give this to me for my full honesty, which I have done. They haven't given me any bullets, any touch points to say. I looked it up myself because I wanted to be completely unbiased.